More changes to UK immigration rules announced Richmond Chambers. In the space of 2 days last week, the Home Office published 2 statements of changes to the immigration rules. Changes to the visitor route. Unless they are visiting the UK to marry or to form a civil partnership, or to give notice of marriage or civil partnership, nationals or citizens of Dominica, Honduras, Namibia, Timor-Leste, and Vanuatu, who hold confirmed bookings to the UK made on or before 3 p.m. on 19 July 2023 may travel to the UK as a visitor without a visit visa until 16 August 2023. Changes to the student route. Dependents. With effect from 3 p.m. on 17 July 2023, international students whose course starts on or after 1 January 2024 are no longer permitted to bring dependents to the UK. An exception is made for international students whose course is a PhD, other doctoral qualification, or a research-based higher degree, as defined in the rules, who may continue to bring dependents to the UK even after 1 January 2024. Student dependents already in the UK may continue to extend their stay. Existing exemptions for dependents of government-sponsored students and for dependent children who are born in the UK are also preserved. Switching. The recent amendments to the immigration rules also remove the ability of international students to switch in country out of the student route and into a work route before completing their studies. Work routes include the skilled worker, senior or specialist worker, graduate trainee, UK expansion worker, service supplier, secondment worker, T2 minister of religion, representative of an overseas business, global talent, high potential individual, scale-up, innovator founder and international sportsperson routes. Students on courses at degree level or above may apply before completing their course to switch to a sponsored work route, as long as their employment start date is not before their course completion. Those studying towards PhDs will be able to switch into a work route after 24-month study. The amendments also remove the ability for international students to apply for permission to stay as a dependent in a work route, as a dependent under the UK ancestry route, or as a dependent in any of the temporary worker routes: creative worker, charity worker, religious worker, international agreement, government authorized exchange. Changes to the skilled worker route. Following an interim review by the Migration Advisory Committee, MAC, the shortage occupation list is being updated to include certain construction and fishing industry occupations. The update will come into effect from 7 August 2023. 5,119 agriculture and fishing trades not elsewhere classified. Changes to the EU Settlement Scheme, EUSS, and EUSS Family Permit. The immigration rules for the EUSS and Appendix EU are also being amended to make the deadline for a EUSS application, or, in line with the Citizens' Rights Agreements, having reasonable grounds for the delay in making an application, a requirement for making a valid application. The Surinder Singh and Zambrano routes will remain open to those who are already on them.